Hello dear third semester BEE stream students. I welcome you all into my another video. I hope you all are doing well and preparing with full dedication for your exams. So today I want to address something important regarding one of the subjects of this particular stream, that is BEE stream. Electric circuit analysis is the subject, right? As you know, I have been creating passing packages to help you focus on most crucial topics for your exams. But to be honest, however, for this particular subject, it is not feasible to provide a package that guarantees passing or success, right? The reason is simple. This is the problematic subject. While the concepts remain the same and the values will be somehow changed in different papers, you will observe over here, okay? Whenever I will show you the interface of all the previous year question papers, you will be able to analyze that concepts will be same, data will be somehow different, right? This means that merely memorizing questions from a package won't help you in this subject. And here is the truth: I am not here to deceive you or take shortcuts that may fail you. My aim has always been to genuinely guide you. It would be easy for me to somehow copy paste some questions and call it a passing package. That is not what I stand for. So instead, I strongly encourage you to practice previous year question papers. They are your best resources for this subject. By solving them, you will not only understand the type of questions that are likely to come, but also strengthen your grasp of the concepts. Okay, so remember, the key cracking this subject is practice, consistency, and understanding the basics. Don't just aim to pass, aim to truly understand, because this knowledge will surely build your foundation for the future itself. And let me tell you one thing over here: you can also refer the 18 scheme paper of this electric circuit analysis. So let me show you over here the interface of that. Don't worry about the papers, I will provide the link in the description box. You can avail these important papers and try to practice lot of questions. Okay, so here is something 18E. So this is the 18 EE32 electric circuit analysis. You can also practice the questions from this paper also. So make sure you will practice these questions. I know you are capable, you are smart and hardworking, and I believe in you. So all the best. Stay focused, stay strong, and remember, your efforts today will definitely define your success tomorrow. Okay, so all the best for your examinations, my dear friends. Make sure you will share this video to all your friends and batchmates. Thank you.